Next one's entitled boyfriend beater thinks she can hit cops without consequences.
Kick me.
Right there. That's where it all started, and I was going to.
On March 18th, 2024.
Oh, she whoops him? Oh, no.
Officers were dispatched to a residence in response to a domestic dispute.
Hello. What's going on?
They're fighting like cats and dogs.
Are they, like, physically fighting right now? Like, where are they at?
They're upstairs.
They're upstairs?
He
Which room?
started it.
Get out!
Hey, she's
No.
going
Hold on. Hold on.
Get
No, she's gonna be aggressive,
out!
please.
Oh, yeah, she'd be whooping ass, bro.
Sit down.
Don't tell me what to do.
Alright, watch. Don't sit down, okay? What is happening?
Oh, my God. Is that his eyes all black?
Look, and that would have been my fault.
Here, come on. Alright, ma'am. No.
Get off of me!
Brittany, I told
Oh, that poor guy, man. He's like conditioned at this point. That's so sad.
Why, Brittany? Why?
Get on your
He
stomach.
sweep the leg.
Put your hands behind
fell
your back.
down a
She's got cuffs. I got hands. Alright, I got her hands.
I'm on our legs.
Alright, I'll get cuffs.
Oh, she's violent. She was like oh my God, that was fast. That was like 20 seconds.
Watch out for this cable. Yep, I got it.
Yeah, I mean, when you got 4 people on top of you, you're not going to resist that, really, right? She's still kicking?
not get the ball. I know, I'm between your legs.
Oh, man, go sit on the couch. Ow, do not pinch your nails.
Oh, get away from her. Why do you even like her at all? Like, that's not healthy, man. That's so sad. He's like conditioned to it. That really is awful.
Wait.
Maternity call out.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
No.
Just
We told you to stay back.
go.
Stay back.
What just happened?
Hey, Henry, stop. You good? Hey, you good?
3169.
All right, we'll go out afterwards, okay?
Brittany, stop.
Brittany, stop. We had this talk, man.
I got it.
Maternity call out.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
What does that mean? She's pregnant or something? What is maternity call out?
Please stop.
No.
Just
We told you to stay back.
go.
Stay back.
Do not tell my mom. No.
Brittany, stop.
What do you people think you are?
You're gonna do years.
You are nothing.
You are gonna do years. Brittany, stop while you're ahead. Stop, Brittany. It's not worth it. Because you think you're losing everything, you're not.
Oh, it's too late already. She's definitely in charge.
I'm going to prison.
Chloe, he can't breathe.
Well, that's your fault.
Well.
I'm done talking.
Yeah, don't bother with her right now. Just stay over there. She's not listening to you right now.
One, 2, 3. Don't kick me.
Brittany,
What was the point of putting her in a headlock right there? Why?
Don't.
Like, what do you do? What is the point for this? What is the purpose here? Look at that.
Kick me.
Brittany,
Stupid.
Yeah, carry her to the car. She's feisty.
Watch her. Take a seat.
This won't be easy, will it?
So caught.
There you go.
Alright. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm good. Don't. Ah, damn it, she cut me.
Oh, wow. He got that there.
Ah, damn it, she cut me.
But, you know, cut.
Just take it. I know. I would
I'll
just.
take a seat.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
He had her smashed. She was in the floor right here.
Okay.
And he was smashing her with the door.
Okay.
I mean, she was like on her butt. Her head was sticking out. Her glasses went flying.
Was this here already?
Yeah. This
Okay,
is
that wasn't from
all
today?
this is previous.
Okay.
Yeah, y'all should just not be together. This is not.
Do you see who started it all? Was it him or
She
was it
asked
her?
him to, he ain't allowed to smoke in the house, and
Uh-huh.
he smoked in the house
Okay.
and was being a dick about it. And I don't know what happened right there, but I got to hear and I
Get
saw
in there.
him have
Move.
her against the wall,
Get out of the way.
and he was manhandling her.
Okay.
It was back and forth, so
Okay. She was hitting him too during the
no,
whole
she
thing?
couldn't really do nothing because she was stuck between here, and he kept close.
He was whooping her? Dude, you guys are not.
Show
Okay,
the
so
altercation. If you could just zoom
it
to
might show the first part of it. I'm not
Okay.
sure.
It seems like he does like coke or something. He's a little too jittery.
Yeah, right here, right here. Literally, right there. That's where it started. I did not hit her. I wanted to. I did not touch her. I did not touch her. She would have had a mark on her face. She literally started right there. Hold on, let me go back 30 seconds. So I can't go any quicker, so you're going to have to watch that. So it
Yeah,
started.
27 and 5, be advised, Hef took off on 18th
Yeah, what
Street
happened?
towards Kenmore Boulevard, white
See,
male
that's the
wearing
door
a
right
tan
there.
jacket.
She linchpinned right there. Would not let me go to smoke a cigarette outside like she wanted.
27, gotcha.
So I was singing, and then she gets up.
You show him where she's trapped between the door and the floor.
Yeah, I will. Because I was defending myself. It's better than f***ing her up again. It's on there. I'm showing everything, Tootie. I'm showing everything. That's why I record.
Is this her mom?
Yes.
Perfect.
I don't know why that's it. See? Right there.
7-9.
That's where it all started. And I was going to.
I don't know. I feel like hearing the mom say that he was whooping on her, bro, it's over, dude. Like, what are we doing here? What are we doing?
Stand there. I do not hit her. I do not throw a punch. I yell for Tootie. I hate that it don't have sound. I've never really even
That's
thought
not the
about
video,
hold on.
though.
Well, this one is the clip for sure with the start of it, but hold on. I do too, Tootie. I didn't say anything wrong. Why do you keep doing that?
Bro, look how she tenses up immediately when he starts talking. Like, I don't know.
Like, I didn't do anything wrong.
So he actually has a camera inside of his bedroom. Oh,
Yeah, she's broken my stuff before, and
are you able to get me back to that video?
yeah, it's just my pride more than anything.
The video is looking neutral. Okay. I want your opinion.
She hurt my pride more than anything. I'm fine. I'm good.
What are you going to prison for?
Failure to notify.
Are you able to?
Which, by the way, question about that, since I have
Do you know how to turn the volume back on this?
It should be on already.
It is.
Oh, hold on. No, you
It's
have
like
to
really
start
quiet
it
at
from...
first.
Bro, his phone is so
Yeah,
cracked.
no, it is too.
There you go. It gets louder once they.
So what's the
Do I
verdict
need
on the
that?
video?
Well, that's what
No,
we're
he's
trying to
saying-
figure out. Okay. You mind sitting down? I'll come talk to you in a second. Okay.
Bro, they already sat you down in a different room and you came back. Go sit down.
I mean, if so, I'm here. I'm not gonna fight it. I mean, yes, I had to defend myself, but if I did something wrong in defense of myself, I mean, whatever.
Really, Phil? Oh,
It's like kind of like grab and
No, that's what she did this. That's what she, like, tried to, like, pinch me or something.
And then you grab her arm.
No, I twisted her to the wall.
it doesn't look like she beating him. I don't know. That kind of looks other way to me.
I couldn't see
Bro, he's hit her twice. You could see him hit her 2 times.
that.
I don't give a fuck.
3?
Yesterday night, right here, I say something.
Alright, so we showed up for.
Bro, you see you saying you're gonna knock her the fuck? Come on, bro. What a loser. What an absolute loser. And the body language, he's over her like that. Like, that's... Nah, put him in cuffs, man. That ain't it.
Knock the fuck out. You're not allowed to do whatever you want. 11, we got
And then you're egging her on, I dare you, and then he pulls back to, winds up to swing. Oh, that's it. That's battery, brother. What are you doing? He's beating the shit out of her.
This is why I report everything, right here. It shows the complete truth. There's no he say, she say.
Oh, this is a long video.
Yes, I am. I don't deserve this shit. No, why? Get the fuck away from me.
When did this all start?
I'm not. Fuck
As
you.
soon as like 2 minutes after I called.
These kind of interactions.
What's been going on? I mean, look at the call up for this house.
She's good. Fine. She really had no complaints, and it was a 1 anyway, so. Alright, thanks guys.
Yeah, thank you. Your only complaints of physical violence from her is what, scratching your arms?
Yeah.
Any other injuries that you know of?
No. Just the scrapes and scratches.
Okay.
Bro, I guess she's being, you know, like, what's it called? Like, provoking him and stuff like that, but I don't think that means you start pushing on her and whooping her, bro. Just leave. Like, you're trying to say she was blocking the door, and then you're like, bro, I dare you, I'll fuck you up. Her mom's right there, bro. Like, that...
So, what happened once the officers got on scene?
I didn't want them to come inside. Honestly, I don't really know. I don't remember.
Any drinking, drugs, anything today?
The camera I'm seeing.
No, I don't drink. Well, I drink, but I'm not doing drugs. I don't like people coming up behind me or touching me from behind or anything like that.
Okay.
So I always get aggressive, no matter what. Anyone, cops, my mom, anyone. Like, it's going to happen, and they know that. That's why my mom tried to pull me back.
I don't know. You should just, people should just know that you're violent, I guess.
Like, even
Immediately
if
when they got here, they came up behind you, or did
no,
they try to talk to
no,
you guys
they
for a
didn't.
little while?
They did everything correctly. I know.
Yeah, bro, they're both violent. Like, I mean, yeah, she's hitting him and stuff, but bro, you shouldn't be hitting on her for any reason. Like, why? Like, I don't know. Like, it's just, like...
It's like in the wrong, but it's just the whole situation. Like, I was already worked up, and then just like, I don't know.
Is charged with resisting arrest, obstructing official business, assault on a peace officer, and domestic violence. Considering her history of violence against police officers and this latest incident, what sentence would you impose if you were the judge in her case? Share your
Bro, she probably got a long time. That's crazy. I mean, the guy, come on, the guys shouldn't be with her anyway, and then you shouldn't be pushing on her and shit. Come on, man. Like, I didn't like that too much, but that was a good video, though, overall. I mean, really intense. Holy shit.